Charlie, wake up, Charlie. Charlie, wake up, Charlie.
What?
Let's go visit the chip wizard.
I'd rather not.
Come on, Charlie, get up.
Ugh,
Come on.
fine.
Yay, let's go.
Where's the chip wizard?
He's almost here. There he is.
Charlie, I'm a chip wizard with a chip face, with a baby-like legs, with spider-like arms. Charlie, I'm a very creepy guy. Charlie, I'm a chip wizard with a chip face, with a baby-like feet, with spider-like arms. Charlie, I am your father.
Charlie, did you?
Yeah. Like I didn't see that coming.
Charlie, eat this chip, Charlie. Eat it.
I'd rather not.
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Fine.
Yay.
Now what?
Go in the chip cave, Charlie.
Okay. Now what?
Goodbye, Charlie.
Oh, no, guys.
Bye-bye.
What happened? Oh, great. They took my butt.